In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate text for social media in Canva step by step so you can create eye-catching posts, reels, stories, and short-form content that instantly grabs attention. If you want your text to stand out instead of sitting there looking flat and static, this is one of the easiest ways to make your designs feel more professional and engaging. And before we get into it, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more simple Canva tutorials, social media design tips, and time-saving workflows. Let's jump in. First, open Canva to open in your browser or in the Canva app and click Create a Design. From here, choose the social media size that fits what you're making. You can pick something like an Instagram post, a story, a Facebook post, a TikTok video, or any custom size you need. Choosing the right format at the beginning is important because it keeps your text animation framed correctly for the platform you want to publish on. Once your blank design opens, go to the left-hand panel and click Text. Canva will give you quick text options like a heading, subheading, or body text. For a social media animation, a heading usually works best because it gives you bold, clear text that stands out on smaller screens. Click one of the text options and Canva will place a text box onto your canvas. Now type in the message you want to animate. This could be a short quote, a call to action, a product highlight, a promo line, or even just one powerful word. The best animated text for social media is usually short, simple, and easy to read at a glance. Remember, people are scrolling fast, so your message needs to be instantly clear. After your text is entered, click directly on the text box so it's selected. This step matters because Canva needs to know exactly which element you want to animate. Once the text is highlighted, look at the top toolbar and click Animate. This opens Canva's animation panel, where you can choose different motion styles for your text. You'll see several animation options, and Canva may show styles like fade, rise, pop, typewriter, drift, breathe, or other movement effects depending on your design type and account version. Each one gives your text a different feel. For example, fade is smooth and subtle, rise feels clean and modern, pop is great for bold social media content, and typewriter adds a typing effect that works really well for captions, hooks, and announcement-style text. Take a moment to click through the options and preview how each animation looks. The goal is to match the movement to the mood of your content. If you're making something professional or minimal, a softer animation like fade or rise may be best. If you want something more energetic or attention-grabbing, pop or typewriter can work much better. This is where you can make the text feel more dynamic and on-brand. If Canva gives you extra controls like speed, direction, or intensity, adjust those settings to fine-tune the animation. A slower speed can feel more polished, while a faster speed can feel more playful and bold. Direction controls can also change how the text enters or moves on screen, which helps you create a more polished social media result. Don't be afraid to test a few combinations until the motion feels right. Now, if you're building a post with multiple text elements, you can repeat the same process for each one. That means selecting each text box individually, applying different animations if needed, and layering them in a way that keeps the design engaging. For example, you might animate a headline one way and a smaller callout another way so the whole composition feels more alive. Once you're happy with the animation, it's time to export your design. Click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. In the file type options, select MP4 if you want a video file, or GIF if you want a lighter animated format. MP4 is usually the best choice for social media because it gives you smoother playback and wider compatibility across platforms. After that, click Download and let Canva render the file. When the download finishes, you'll have an animated text design ready to upload to your social media platform of choice. You can post it to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube Shorts, or wherever your audience is most active. A quick pro tip. Keep your text short, use bold fonts, and make sure the animation supports the message instead of distracting from it. The best animated text is easy to read, visually clean, and designed for fast-scrolling feeds. Also, if your background is busy, use high contrast so the animated text still pops clearly on mobile screens. And that's it. You now know how to animate text for social media in Canva in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Canva and social media design tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.